The man on your screen is gangster-turned-politician Mukhtar Ansari. He has a bunch of cases against him ranging from extortion and criminal intimidation to murder in Punjab and Uttar Pradesh states. The Bahujan Samaj Party MLA from Mau in Uttar Pradesh is being brought back to Banda jail in the state from Ropar jail in Roopnagar, Punjab after much tussle, drama and delay. You're watching TV9 Digital. I am Adarsh Vepachedu, and in this video, I will be telling you about the peculiar case of Mukhtar Ansari's transfer and what the case is all about when it comes to the delay in his transfer from Punjab to Uttar Pradesh. On January 9, 2019, a CEO of a real estate company engaged in business in Punjab and Delhi NCR complained to the police in Mohali that a certain Ansari had called from Uttar Pradesh and demanded 10 crore rupees if he wanted his family safe. The CEO claimed he had the call recorded. The police registered an FIR naming Ansari as the accused and his address as Banda in Uttar Pradesh. Around 2 weeks after FIR, the Punjab police brought Ansari to Ropar jail on a production warrant, and he has been in the jail since then. But Ansari also has 10 pending criminal cases against him in a special court in Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh. FIRs against him are under various sections of the Gangster Act and IPC, including that of murder. He has managed to avoid 26 court warrants in the special court in Prayagraj on medical grounds. He is said to be suffering from diabetes, back pain, hypertension and skin allergy. And so, the Punjab Prisons Department, citing advice by a panel of doctors that Ansari should not undertake long travel and should be under bed rest, has been keeping him in Ropar jail in Punjab under bed rest. But the UP government wanted him in the state to bring him to book. It moved the Supreme Court under Article 32, which gives the right to move the top court if a fundamental right is violated, to ensure that the cases against Ansari in the state can be heard and concluded. In its petition, UP further alleged that Ansari and Punjab has to plan together to delay trials. Then the Supreme Court under Article 142 ordered the transfer of Ansari's custody to UP despite Punjab's stiff opposition. The judges affirmed courts cannot be helpless bystanders when the rule of law is being challenged with impunity. The Supreme Court further said that Ansari will be lodged in the district jail of Banda in Uttar Pradesh, adding that the special court in Prayagraj can move him to any other jail in UP if needed. The Supreme Court also found it strange and suspicious that Ansari never applied for a bail while in the Ropar jail. And that is how, after much delay, the deadlock over Mukhtar Ansari's transfer was broken by the Supreme Court. To tell you a little bit more about Mukhtar Ansari's political and criminal life, he has been elected MLA from the Mau constituency in Uttar Pradesh a record 5 times on a BSP ticket, a history sheeter in Ghazipur district of Uttar Pradesh, with as many as 38 cases of heinous crime lodged against him. He has been charge sheeted in all 38 cases. However, Ansari has been acquitted or discharged from most of these cases. In July 2020, a Delhi court acquitted him and 6 others, including brother and BSP MP Afzal Ansari, in the murder case of BJP MLA Krishnanand Rai in 2005. Similarly, in 2018, he was acquitted in the double murder case that took place in Kotwali area of Mau district in 2009. Before being moved to Ropar jail in Punjab, Ansari was lodged in various jails in Uttar Pradesh like Ghazipur, Mau, Agra, Lucknow and Banda jail. He had even suffered a heart attack when in Banda jail when his wife had come to visit him. He was taken to the hospital for treatment and then brought back to the Banda jail. It so happens that former Vice President Hamid Ansari is a cousin of Mukhtar Ansari. Mukhtar had even cited his family connections during a hearing in the Supreme Court while opposing his transfer from Ropar jail in Punjab to Banda jail in Uttar Pradesh. In his affidavit, he said he is related to Baba Shaukatullah Ansari, who was governor of Odisha, and Justice Asif Ansari, who was a judge in the Allahabad High Court. Ansari said that he is the grandson of late Mukhtar Ahmed Ansari, who was a freedom fighter, the president of Indian National Congress, and also one of the founding members of Jamia Millia Islamia. So, what do you have to say about Mukhtar Ansari's journey, his time away from Uttar Pradesh, his political and criminal background, and what it has come down to? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you like the content that I have presented, make sure you like and share this video, and yes, subscribe to TV9 News on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Until next time.